Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the JXR Performance Side Air Vent Carbon Fiber Overlay Kit. And these are basically carbon fiber covers that go over your side vents in your car. I will show you in my 2022 WRX exactly what that means. They make a huge impact on the interior of the car. I'm so excited to release these. I just put them up on the website. I will show you guys some B-roll shots after I show you how to install them. They come with pre-applied 3M tape on the back of them, and it takes about 3 minutes to install them. But otherwise, guys, let's jump into the car, get these things installed, and then I will let you know, or you will see what they look like. These are the side vents, so this is what the cover's gonna go over. Let's get it installed. All right, we're gonna get this guy installed. I'm gonna take off the backing to the 3M tape now. 3M tape is off, and then we're gonna get this thing installed. And then once we have it set up, we're just gonna put some pressure on it. Not too much, just enough, and we're installed. It's looking extremely clean, basically a lot cleaner than my car, and I cleaned it before. The ISO is so high on the camera, though, that you're seeing the little bit of an imperfection on the car itself, but so much difference, especially paired with the other carbon fiber bits. Gets rid of the ugly framing, nice clean concept integration, really nice weave, makes the interior of the car significantly more aggressive. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you do want some of our carbon fiber parts from JXR Performance, if you want a reminder, I do own JXR Performance, so I design and produce and do all the parts myself. It's a great way to support the channel, but we do have something, we do have a bundle of all of our carbon fiber parts. We have one with just the interior parts and then one with the interior parts and the side view mirrors. It is a massive amount of savings if you are considering the carbon fiber parts. So definitely take a look at that in the channel. The discount code in the description of this video also works for that bundle, and it is a pretty significant amount of savings. So just if you're interested, it's a great way to save some money. The whole point of these parts are to be the cheapest on the market, the highest quality, and just make it easier for you guys to mod your car. So I appreciate you supporting the channel by watching the video. If you choose to put one of these parts in your car, it also helps support the channel, and I really appreciate that. And I'd love feedback on the parts in the description below, on the website, via email. I just like to hear that you guys are enjoying the parts that I spend my time making. So I'll see you guys in the future. Thanks for watching the video, and take a look for the next video coming to the channel.